So, what does a highlighted comment mean on YouTube? If you head down to the comment section of a video, you might see this message sitting above a specific comment. So, what does it mean? You'll most likely only see this message if you click through from one of your YouTube notifications. For example, if you leave a comment on a YouTube video and somebody else then likes it or replies to it, you'll normally get a notification for this through the bell icon on your YouTube account. And if you click on that notification to view the comment itself, YouTube then highlights the comment in the comment section to make it easier for you to see. You will also see a comment get highlighted when somebody else leaves a comment on your YouTube video and you click through from a notification to see it on the video page. And another way to highlight a comment in the comment section is by pinning it. And this works slightly differently than highlighted comments because the content creator themselves can choose which comment they pin to their comment section. To pin a comment on one of your YouTube videos, make sure you're logged in and open up a video page for one of your uploads. Scroll down to the comment section and find the comment you want to pin. Now over to the right hand side of the comment, you'll see these three dots, so click on them and then select pin. YouTube will then check if you definitely want to pin the comment, because if you already have a comment pinned, then this will replace the old one. And as you can see, my selected comment is now pinned at the top of the comment section. And that is how to highlight and pin comments on YouTube. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.